Shalom everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone XS Max with a cracked screen. So the phone, I guess he stepped on it and the phone does still turn on. But the screen went out. So we're going to go ahead and replace the screen as well as the water seal, and as always I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 15 minutes and 54 seconds and we have a brand new iPhone XS Max and everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, carrier unlock, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help. Make sure you check us out on our website, Instagram, Facebook. I'll leave all the links in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. And thank you for watching the video, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.